We're going to be using these three log rules to solve problems. They come in two main types. So let's have a look at the first one. With this one, we've got some logs here, and the goal is to write it as a single logarithm. So our answer will be in the form log of something. Now, anytime we see a number out the front, like here or here, we can use this rule. So if there's a number out the front, then we can bring it up as a power. So this becomes log of x to the 4, y to the 4. This one I can do on the same line of working. So this is log of x squared. So this is just using this rule here. Right, I've got a negative in there. If I use the second rule, log of something minus log of something, that's log of the thing divided by the other thing. So this is log of this thing, x to the 4, y to the 4, over x squared. Okay, with this, we can do one final thing of working. I can do x to the 4 divided by x squared. That gives us log of x squared, y to the 4. This is now a single logarithm, simplified as much as we can. Now, this is one type of problem where we're starting up with loads of different logs and we're putting it all together into a single logarithm. Let's have a go at going the other way. On this one, we've got some x's, we've got some y's, and we've got some z's. The aim here is to write it as some number of log x's, some number of log y's, and some number of log z's. I've got a division here. If I use the second rule, that's the same as writing log of whatever is on the top of the fraction minus whatever is on the bottom of the fraction, log root. So this is log of root x y squared minus log z cubed. Right, next we've got log of two things multiplied together. If I use the first rule, that's the same as adding those two logs. So we get log of root x plus log of y squared minus log of z cubed. The final thing is taking down the powers. Now, log root x here, that's the same as x to the half. So I can write that as a half log of x plus 2 log of y minus 3 log of z. Now this is written as multiples of log x, log y, and log z. So we've got two main types of problem. One where we start off with a big log of things and we split it into its component parts, and the other that we did before where we start off with a whole lot of different things and we're squishing it all together to make a single logarithm. I've got two problems for you. They're both of that nature. What I'd like you to do is pause the video, have a go at each of these. It's one of each type, and then I'll go through the solutions. Oh. Right. Here are the answers. So the first one, squishing it all together, was a squared b to the 5 inside the logarithm. And then this one, 2 log x minus a half log y. The half came from the root of y, which we brought down as the power.